Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the process of unpinning a comment in Instagram. If you've previously pinned a comment on one of your posts and now want to remove it, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Locate the Instagram icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Once you're in Instagram, navigate to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, find and select the post on which you have pinned a comment. Step 3. On the post, scroll down to the comment section. You'll find it just below the post's content. Tap on the comment section to open it. Step 4. In the comment section, locate the pinned comment that you want to unpin. Tap and hold on the comment until a menu appears. In the menu, you will see an option labeled Unpin or a metal pin icon crossed over. Tap on it to unpin the comment. By following these simple steps, you can easily unpin a comment in Instagram and remove it from the top position in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.